Does cracking your knuckles cause arthritis? Cracking your knuckles sounds scary, but does it actually cause arthritis? Most people believe it does, but research says something different. 1. What causes the sound? When you crack your knuckles, gas bubbles in the joint fluid collapse and create that popping sound. 2. Arthritis myth. Studies have not shown that knuckle cracking causes arthritis. 3. Possible downside. But cracking too often may irritate the joints or reduce grip strength in some people. So annoying? Maybe. But arthritis? Not proven. Follow Gen Z pharmacists for simple health facts.